friends, how's it going? Welcome to a new vlog. I can't believe we're already getting so far in November. It's crazy. What is this vlog even gonna be? What exciting things are happening this week? I don't know if anything. Yeah, I think this is just gonna be a regular week in the life. I know we're gonna shop for Thanksgiving food soon. I know we need to decorate our other trees still, which I've been procrastinating, but I think we're gonna do that this weekend. And it's gonna be a fun time. We're gonna do some fun things. It is Friday, I'm getting ready for work. I did just film. I played with the Dead of Night palette from Unearthly Cosmetics. It's so cute. It hasn't been revealed yet at this moment, but I'm fairly certain it'll be revealed by the time this vlog goes up. But so pretty. I played with it on my channel. I'm doing a 2 looks, 2 palettes kind of video with the 2 new Unearthly palettes. So super excited about that. And I'm gonna head off to work soon. And then tonight, I think we're seeing the new Black Panther because it just came out today. And we're really excited to see it. I am really sad about it. I know I'm gonna miss the original actor very deeply, but I'm still excited to see the movie nonetheless and just continue watching the Marvel Universe grow and grow and grow. It's like intimidatingly huge right now. We also watched the new Lindsay Lohan Christmas movie last night, Falling for Christmas. It was so cute, so cheesy, but so adorable, and I will probably watch it again. So that's just what we've been up to. Nothing too crazy, just a lot of work lately. This is the busiest time of year for me between the salon and prepping YouTube videos, so just a lot of work. Hopefully I can do some relaxing tomorrow after work and on Sunday, but we shall see. I'm gonna clean up my mess though and then do a little bit of editing before I head off to work, and I'll catch you later when we're seeing Black Panther. Hello, it's been a couple days later, clearly. We didn't end up seeing Black Panther on Friday just because the timing just wasn't working out with getting off of work and stuff like that. So we're actually gonna see it on Tuesday because we ended up hanging out with a friend yesterday. Well, Zane hung out with a friend, I also hung out with a friend yesterday separately. And then tonight we have stuff we have to do. And then tomorrow we have work and kickboxing, so Tuesday we're gonna see Black Panther. But we're decorating the loft tree. I'm watching Kenny JD on YouTube. She is so funny. We're watching her Love is Blind videos. But we're decorating the loft tree. Beautiful, so cute. We actually moved that over, it was here where the tree is. We moved it over there, and I think it's gonna permanently live there because I actually really like the way it looks right there. Like, I feel like it just fits the video game and board game vibe. Absol loves Christmas trees. He says, oh boy, another one. Today I've just been trying to get a lot of stuff done. I did some like swatch filming and some editing, and we went to the grocery store and bought a bunch of groceries, including stuff for Thanksgiving, and now we're decorating a tree, and I'm gonna film in a little bit. It's just like a whirlwind, so that's today, but we're gonna decorate this tree now. We've had this tree for a very long time. I don't even remember where we got this one. It used to be our like main tree, but then we replaced it last year when we moved into this house. So now this is our loft tree. We're gonna decorate it and make it look super cute, and that's the plan. Here we are, super cute. We don't have a star, we used to, so we'll probably get a new one at some point. It's hard to see right now because the lighting's all weird, but it looks super cute. I'll show it to you at night. I love it. I think it came out nice. It's more of a simple tree. Like, we don't have any crazy ornaments for it, just like little things we've collected over time. We have kind of like a bronzy, silver, gold, red situation, but I like it. What do you think, Edalyn? Edalyn. What do you think, Edalyn? Just got done filming with the Daily Grind palette from Unearthly, which that video will already be on my channel by the time this video goes up. I think I filmed look number 1 on Friday when I introduced the vlog, but then didn't continue the vlog. Pretty sure that was the same day, but I could be misremembering it. But yeah, today's just been a good day, I feel like. It's been nice and chilly all day. It's been in the 60s, which has been nice. I wish it was colder, but I will take what I can get. It's just been cloudy and in the 60s. I love that we decorated the other tree. It's just boosted my serotonin, and it's been really nice. And I've been getting all my stuff done today. I've had a huge to-do list, but I've been checking through it, and I'm really excited about it because it's not even quite nighttime yet. We're doing good. But that's pretty much it for today as far as anything exciting goes. We just have some more things to do tonight and back to work tomorrow. So I'll see you next time I see you. I don't know what's going on next. I know, again, we are seeing Black Panther Tuesday, so I'll let you know how that goes. I'm really excited to see it. I hope it's good. I've been hearing nothing but great things, but I've been trying not to read too much about it because I don't want to get spoiled on anything. So Super, super excited. I will catch you later. Oh, we did buy ingredients for another Instant Pot recipe just because I want to get over my fear of the Instant Pot. I loved how the soup came out that we made last week, and I think I want to try making a new recipe in it every single week. So that's what I'm doing. I have a million recipes saved to my Pinterest, so I'm gonna chuck through those eventually. But I got stuff for these just like easy Instant Pot burrito bowls, and that sounds very yummy, very safe, and if it's good, something we will totally revisit. So I might make those on Tuesday as well. So if I don't see you tomorrow, I'll definitely see you Tuesday to cook up something new and go to the movies. I was about to head to bed and realized I totally forgot to show you the tree at night. It's so cute. I love these twinkly lights. Hi friends, it's a new day. Happy Tuesday. I have been so super productive today. I got a lot of editing done and I just finished filming just a couple little quick Instagram videos. I filmed a little simple tutorial with the Daily Grind palette from Unearthly, and I did a little lip swatch video with the new liquid lipsticks as well. So got a lot of work done. I am about to go downstairs and start cooking dinner. Another Instant Pot recipe because like I mentioned, I wanted to try to use it more. So I found an easy recipe for burrito bowls. So that's what we're gonna make tonight, and we're gonna make it together, and I'm very excited. And then we are going to see Black Panther tonight, and I just cannot wait. I think it's gonna be so fun. Kickboxing kicked my butt yesterday, literally. My hip flexor muscles are so sore. I had every intention on also going for a run this morning, but I simply cannot. So I think just taking it easy tonight and spending it at the movies will be the way to go. So let's go downstairs and start cooking. So started with my onion. That cooked for about 3 minutes, and then we threw in our chopped bell pepper and Taco Bell seasoning. Oh, it is getting steamy in here. And that's gonna saute for another 2 minutes. We're on the saute setting right now. And then we'll start pouring in everything else, and then it just cooks for 10 minutes. All right, so now I'm just gonna pour in my can of drained black beans, my can of drained corn, my cup of rice, and they said to like kind of make it as even as possible because you're not supposed to stir it all in the end, which seems weird to me. Just gonna eyeball like half of these diced green chilies. I have a cup of salsa, and then also a cup of water. And the instructions literally say not to stir it, which is weird to me. It just says just to kind of make sure everything's a nice like even layer, but don't like actually stir it. And just make sure the rice is submerged without stirring. So I'm just gonna kind of pat it in here. I also just sprinkled some Violife vegan cheese on top of everything as well. And I'm just gonna kind of nicely layer it all around. And that'll be that. Now I'm putting it on rice, white rice, for 10 minutes and start. And then it'll just go to pressure, cook for 10 minutes, and then when the seal pops, that's it. And then we can just put whatever toppings we want on top of it. And there we have it, topped a little vegan sour cream and tomatoes on top. I'm very excited, it smells so good. All right, we're back from the movie. First of all, the burrito bowls were really good, but yes. I think in the future I want to probably go way harder with the taco seasoning than the recipe said I should go. Like I probably could have gone way heavier handed. And I'd probably add tempeh in it next time. I think that would be really good.
That was our idea, was to add tempeh.
But super quick, simple, easy.
Really easy.
Good. So I think we'll make variations of that a lot in the future, especially when we want bowls specifically, instead of like, I don't know, like making everything separate and then assembling it. Like that just cut out the middleman.
Yeah, it was really easy, and it was all
and we have a bunch of leftovers
blended.
Too.
Yeah.
The movie was really good though. I'm so sleepy, so.
Yeah, it's a long movie. It's like over 2.5 hours, so definitely strap in.
It was really good. If you don't want spoilers, obviously skip ahead. But if you haven't seen it and you want to, definitely recommend. It was really good. Really heavy. It was like definitely a heavier movie just because of the fact that there is a deceased cast member now, which is super sad. But the movie was really good overall. And now you can skip ahead if you don't want spoilers.
Yeah, I thought they handled his death pretty well. I
like that during the intro-y thing when they always show like the Marvel stuff, like it was only him.
It was only him.
And it was completely silent, like a moment of silence for him. And they also did a moment of silence at the end too.
Yeah.
So that was really nice.
Yeah, it was pretty emotional. Like just lots of dealing with, what's the word?
Grief.
Grief. That's the word.
Yeah.
And dealing with it and tackling like the classic, is vengeance gonna make you feel better, which is very common in a lot of things these days, but it was done well. Like I like the little, Killmonger cameo, him popping up, and thought that was really cool.
I liked what ended up happening with Black Panther because I wasn't sure who was gonna replace Black Panther, which she makes sense.
Yeah, the whole time I was like,
I thought for a minute it was gonna be. I'm so bad at remembering people's names, but I thought it was gonna be the head warrior lady for a minute.
And that would have been awesome
because she got like kicked out.
Yeah, I thought
maybe she was gonna come back.
I thought that would have been cool if her name is Okoye. I remember her because
I have a brain the size of a pea sometimes, and I cannot retain people's names.
I know I had to
unless I've heard it 100 times.
There's a lot of new names in this one too, so
a lot of new names. Yeah,
it's fair. And
I like the new girl. I don't know her name either. The one from MIT.
Oh yeah, Riri Williams.
Yeah, she was good. Is she a character from the comics specifically, her name? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, and her superhero name is Ironheart.
She's supposed to be an Iron Man type person.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Do you think she's gonna come back, or do you think this was just a one-time?
I think there's a show or a movie slated to be called Ironheart that's gonna be about her. So that
makes sense.
I assume
they're doing a zillion shows, so I wouldn't be surprised.
I assume it's gonna take place after this because this is maybe her little intro. Mm-hmm. I don't know if we really need backstory. They kind of went over it in this movie with her.
Yeah.
It was a little bit weird. I felt like they kind of just threw her at us. I would have liked a little bit more build up maybe with her.
Yeah, it was just all of a sudden the scientist. It was kind of okay.
It was kind of like America Chavez and Multiverse. They're just
that's
boom,
true,
here she is, and they had just done that, and I was like,
which sometimes I don't mind that because not every Marvel character needs an origin movie. I do not need a million origin stories.
Yeah. But maybe we can give these new characters that are gonna get more time. I don't know.
Yeah.
That they don't need to just throw them at us in every movie. I don't want them to do it more. Right?
Or in the sense that just throw us new characters and never really talk about them again.
Yeah.
I worry that America's not gonna be that big of a character going forward.
We saw her.
I hope she will
at Disneyland.
We did see her at Disneyland,
but haven't seen her in any of the stuff yet, but she'll come back and Riri Williams will come back and let's see if M'Baku is gonna be the king. I think we were talking about that afterwards. She was like, is he really gonna go for the throne? He already lost before. But I realized that Shuri doesn't like tradition. She was the scientist, she wants to do her technology thing, and I was thinking dang, now she has to be the queen, she has to be the Black Panther, and she has to be the brains, the scientist. That's a lot.
Right.
And she doesn't, I think it would fit to have someone else
especially if it's not in a conquering kind of way, a mutual, yep, you go ahead and take it.
Yes. And
she appoints somebody else.
And she respects him, obviously, because, she talks to him throughout the movie. So I think having him be the king would be really cool. And then having her still be the scientist.
I don't really have any complaints from the movie.
Yeah.
I didn't love the excess underwater in whales because that's horrifying to me.
Yes,
but it was fitting. It made sense. It was fine. I was just wow, we're underwater a lot.
It's just not your favorite thing to see giant whales.
I was shocked that there was not an after credits scene.
Yes, there's no after credits scene.
No after credits scene. I feel like that's never happened in Marvel history.
That was... Yeah, it was weird. All of us
I guess they just didn't feel it maybe appropriate to just go ahead and be all right, on to the next.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But, yeah.
It was a great movie, though.
Mm-hmm. It was good. You could tell I feel like I was kind of looking at it and I was like, okay, which parts of this did they have planned regardless of if they had T'Challa, the same? They were you can tell a little bit what they changed to be based on they changed the plot to be without him. But I was reading something that the whole stuff with Namor was gonna be the same.
Oh,
that he was always gonna be planned.
Interesting.
So, but it said it was gonna deal with grief. I think the queen would have died.
Yeah.
No matter what.
That would make sense.
And then having her die, of course, right after Black Panther was just extra heart wrenching, but. It would have been cool to see with him because it would have been his other parent. But, yeah. It was still really good, and I thought they did good honoring him and keeping him a focal point. Mm-hmm. Keeping it interesting because I was just man, what are they gonna do? I don't know how I feel about this.
Right.
But it was fun, and I'm very excited for the next movie, which is the Ant-Man.
Mm-hmm. The new Ant-Man looks really good.
So
I love Ant-Man. I feel like everybody sleeps on Ant-Man, and those movies are so good. And Paul Rudd's an angel.
Yeah, and it's like 3 months away, which feels like when I hear February, I'm like, oh, that's so far away. Then I say it's 3 months away, I'm like,
like
what?
The new year is in a month and a half.
Yeah, that is wild.
It like makes me sick.
Like Thanksgiving's next week.
It's weird.
What? Like I remember when I was like, oh, that's so far away. Like we had to shop for stuff for it. Like
yeah,
it's coming up fast.
I'm already like, all right, Vlogmas is over because I'm already like super deep in planning it. I'm mentally so far ahead.
Yeah.
So I'm like, all right, the year's over. Pack it up. Take the Christmas tree down.
At least it's getting cool out.
Not really. It's so humid today.
It was very humid.
We do get a few days of cool coming up, so that'll be nice. Just crossing my fingers that we get crispiness on Thanksgiving. I just want to have the windows open. That's all I ask.
That would be really nice.
We're gonna go to bed though. I'm so sleepy. My hips still hurt.
Yeah, mine.
I mentioned it earlier in the vlog.
Mine started hurting halfway through the day. I got up from my chair and I went, oh no, I feel it too. She was complaining last night about it.
It hit me bad. Like,
I was like, oh my God.
Within like 30 minutes of being home from class, I was like, my hips. All right, I will catch you next time I see you. Hi friends, how's it going? Happy Friday. I just got done filming a little Get Ready With Me, which will be up, I think a couple days after this vlog, not too long. Yeah, I think there's a declutter going up right after this vlog and then this Get Ready With Me that I'm really excited about. Ace Beauté sent me the Ambiance palette and I'm so excited. I just got it in the mail last night. I was so excited to dive into it. I've had my eye on this one for a little while now and I'm super excited. So far so good. I'm loving it. I love this color story. I love Ace Beauté, and if you want to try this too, you can use my affiliate code battybean to save 10%. I also got these the other day that I forgot to show you. I can't believe I forgot to tell you, but I got the new Kaleidos products. I got the like matte illuminator. Mine's in the shade Lights. Really like it. I've been using it a lot for like my under eyes and it's just really brightening and very soft, like a very softly milled pressed powder. I really like it. And then I got the Contour Trio, also in the shade Lights. And I'm really liking it. I've been using this shade the most to do like a little bit of chiseling on my cheeks before I go in with blush, and I'm really liking it. I also did get another package, but it's something that hasn't been revealed yet, and it won't be revealed yet when this vlog goes up. I think it starts getting teased like a day or two after, but I'm really excited about the things that I got, and I'm really excited to share them with you, so just stay tuned. I'm very pumped. But I decided I think I should probably end the vlog here because it is Friday and this vlog's going up on Sunday, and I think we've done enough in this vlog. We hung out, we did some cooking, we saw a movie, got some new makeup. I feel like it was a pretty solid week and I'm feeling good. I have work in a little bit and I'm just gonna get some editing done, so I figured now would be a good time to close out this vlog so I can finish editing it and get it up for you. And I'm just super excited. Next vlog it'll be holidays and all those fun things. So I guess I'll just catch you in the next one. If you made it to the end of this vlog, why don't you leave, ooh, I don't know. Is there a Black Panther emoji? That could be fun because we saw Black Panther. Well, there's a black kitty cat. I guess leave some form of cat emoji since we saw Black Panther. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.